In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a contact on iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Phone app and then tap right here where it says contacts, and what that will do, that will show you the list of all your contacts. In here, first off, we need to search for a contact we would like to share. We can easily do so in that way, simply by scrolling down or up until we find a contact. However, we can also use search to make it easier to search for a specific contact. That's how we can easily find it, and then all we have to do in order to share this contact with someone is just scroll down, then tap at Share Contact, then select fields you would like to share, such as first name, mobile, maybe work number, home address, organization, and others. We can select and deselect them simply by tapping on them. And then to continue, we need to tap at Done. After that, we need to choose the way we would like to use to share that contact. We can send it directly to any messenger, any social media platform. We can send it via email. Also, we can use messages. So I'm going to tap at messages here. The contact is already attached to that message, as you can see. All we have to do now is just search for a user whom we would like to share this contact with. We can just, by tapping at that user, add it to that field. We can add multiple users here, and then all we have to do in order to share this contact is just hit right here at Send button. That's how you can easily share a contact on iPhone, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.